Hey guys, welcome back to the Museum of Flight. Today we're in the Aviation Pavilion. The Aviation Pavilion holds some of the museum's largest aircraft. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Boeing 727.
Entering service on the 1st of February 1964, the Boeing 727 was a head-turner for the flying public. Because of the demand, 1,832 727s were manufactured. The 727's unusual engine configuration was implemented to make sure it met ETOPS. ETOPS means Extended Range Twin Engine Operational Performance Standards. It is a certification that permits twin-engine aircraft to fly routes which may, at the time, be 60 minutes from the nearest airport that is suitable for an emergency landing. The 727's engine configuration was used by other manufacturers, like Lockheed in their TriStar or Douglas's DC-10, which both used the 727 engine placement to meet ETOPS. The 727 boasts 3 Pratt & Whitney JT8D turbofans that produce 15,000 pounds of thrust each. Have a listen. As of now, only 38 727s are still flying commercially. An interesting fact about the Boeing 727 is that a man by the name of D.B. Cooper hijacked a Boeing 727 in 1971. After making several demands on the ground, the 727 returned to the sky, where Cooper jumped off the air stairs from the back of the aircraft and was never seen again. Thank you for watching. And once again, thanks to the Museum of Flight for letting us film in the Aviation Pavilion. It was really nice to go and see the 727. See you guys next time.